Good morning, Hammerheads, and today I try not to fall off this roof. Over the weekend we had some strong winds and this piece of siding fell and got ripped off of my house. So what I'm going to show you guys is how to properly install it back onto the side of your house. So you don't have to call a professional just to spend $200 on replacing this PVC siding. It's really easy, really simple. All you need is a hammer, a bit of nails, and you'll be able to attach it right back on. So let's gear up, get all the tools we need, and get started. Hey Hammerheads, before we get started on the siding, hit the subscribe button or throw me a like. Since today we're going to be getting up on the roof, I actually have to change my equipment out. I'm not going to be wearing the Atlas 46 workshop apron because it's got this flap, and I'm going to change tool belts over. If you haven't seen our video of the review of this vest, please definitely go and check it out. This is an amazing product, but as of today I've got to change into my regular tool belt and get some of the material out of it to get up on the roof. The only thing we're going to be using today is a box of nails and a hammer. The nails I chose were these roofing nails with neoprene washers. You can see, like, it's got this nice little rubber washer, and the reason why I chose that is you don't have to get these, but they're ring shanked, which means they have those little rings on them, so they're not going to pull out as easy. Also, this rubber flexible gasket is going to give the PVC siding a little bit of more flexibility. Obviously, with the wind that ripped off the original siding has become a little bit more, it's pulled in some places, so I wanted to give it a nail with a larger head face and a rubber gasket to give it some more movement so it won't rip off again. We're gonna go up there in a moment, you know, I picked these up at Home Depot or Lowe's or Ace Hardware, regardless of where you guys go, and then we're just gonna use the hammer to drive these suckers in. Now I've got my piece of siding, I've got my hammer, and I've got my nails. It's time to get up there and slap this piece of vinyl back onto the house. Grunt Build powers activate. Okay, pretty much any project here at Grunt Build that we decide to do, we arrive at one of two conclusions. Either this is something we can do ourselves, you know, with the equipment we have on hand, or if we should call a professional. After teleporting up here, this roof is really steep. It's really hot up here. The conditions are not extreme, but I give props and credits to the guys who do this on a regular basis. This is really steep work, and I'm not all too confident getting up on this roof. I mean, I'm gonna get this done because we can, but ultimately I'm leaning more towards the professional side of doing this. So what we have here is our piece of siding that fell off, and each siding actually hooks into a channel down here from the bottom. That's the locking side, and this is the attached side. The little nails go through these holes, and you want to place them in the middle so that they have room to expand and grow from, you know, cold temperatures to hot temperatures, cold temperatures to hot temperatures. And so we're placing the siding, especially in the middle of a run, we're actually going to lock it into the bottom, we're going to nail it, and then we're going to shove this one down over top of it and fix anything else we need to while we're up here, and then that should be done. Be a quick video because I don't like the roof. So if you're down on the ground and you got to replace one of these pieces of siding, it's great, but up on a roof, dude, it sucks. They also have this special little tool that you can get. It's like a little hook. It hooks underneath the locking channel of the vinyl siding and allows you to pull it down. From what I'm understanding about the new home construction, the contractor grade guys that were here, they only put 2 nails in each bed of siding, which is bad practice. 3 nails definitely, even in short runs, you know, it'll expand and contract. Don't let anybody tell you that nails, over nailing will compromise the engineering integrity of the vinyl siding. It's a weak excuse. We don't like weak excuses. All right, there we go. That's it. That's all there is to it. I'm not comfortable being up here anymore, so I'm gonna get off the hell off this roof. Hammerheads, I just got off the roof. Ultimately, here at Grunt Build, we arrive at one or two conclusions. That is whether or not we can take on these DIY or home renovation projects or fix-its by ourselves, or if we need to hire a professional. In all honesty, in my opinion, unless it's 8 feet off the ground, do not attempt to get up on the roof and fix siding or shingles yourself. Hire the professional, make the investment into your home or property. That was terrifying. I actually had to change my shoes. What you guys didn't see on camera was me getting about halfway up the roof the first time and then sliding back because my boots that I normally wear don't have enough tread on the shingles. They're asphalt shingles, they're gonna grind away. So I had to go in and change tennis shoes. Even with teleportation power, I was only able to stand on the roof with tennis shoes, as you probably saw. A quick change. Ultimately, we got it done, we finished it. The thing about it is after that fall, you're almost coming down to the ground. And this goes for every practice in life. If I had said, you know what, I'm too scared to go back up there, the fear would have had control of me for the rest of my life. It is my recommendation that you hire the professional to get up there. They've got more training, more confidence, they've been doing it longer. They probably know some better techniques to fix it really quick. You might be, you know, spending $200, $300. I don't know. Ultimately, you're gonna have peace of mind. Your muscles aren't going to be spazzing like mine are, and you would have fixed the problem in the long run. That's it for this episode. Stay tuned for more. We're gonna be getting ready to get our shop cleared up and getting ready to build the industrial clone shelf for my brother, who has a clone obsession, and it's gonna be fun. I'm looking forward to it. Until next time, Hammerheads, have yourself an amazing day.